what you're going through. It seems a little rough right now, and I know the smile on your face has been turned upside down. It never feels good when you're going through, but you can rest assured that his word is always true.